What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Looking at XRP/USD. This is a daily chart, Bitstamp data, tradingview.com. XRP had a very nice Friday, which was yesterday, the 4th. Today's the 5th, Saturday, November. Up 11.3% yesterday. We broke out, hit some overhead resistance, and are getting a pullback this morning here on this 5th of November. So we hit one of our upper resistance levels at 58.42, 50842. This white horizontal line right here on the chart. Overhead lines act as resistance for a period of time, and then lines below the market, below the price, can act as support for a period of time. So we broke out from below one of our resistance levels, which was 46.039. So we broke out very strong above that, broke out past the 48 resistance, and headed up to 50842, and you can see how that's currently acting as resistance as the price reaches that level and reverses off of it. So that is above the market currently. Below the market, a potential pullback where support could show up could be down at 48,700. So this yellow line on the chart, 48700, 48 cents. Is that level. Doesn't mean we will get down to that level, but if we start to get close to that level, that could show up as support. And then below that is 48001. So those are the three levels currently around the market. Mention it one more time: 50842, 48700, 48001. Those are all three levels. I will draw a line around those levels that are currently around where the market price is now. So we will see how far this pullback goes. We will also have to wait and see if this even ends up being a red candle day. A lot of hours left in the market. Early Saturday morning, this thing could easily start to work its way higher and get back above 58.42, heading its way up to that 55 cent, which is the high move of is the highest price, I should say, of this whole move anyways. We hit a high of 55.829 back in September. That level is still current resistance. As you can tell, the price got up there and wicked below it and actually closed below where our current resistance is right now at 58.42. White line on the chart. So that is what we're watching. There was a concern of mine that before this thing broke out, that we were going to break these lows, these candle wick lows over here. So the 20th of October, it looks like, and then this is probably back the 28th of September. I thought something like this could play out, and looks like we were surprised on Friday, and we got quite the opposite. We actually broke out, putting in some new highs for the short term and getting up to some overhead resistance levels, which is good. Let me show you a smaller time frame here. This is a 3-minute time frame, and you can see how price reacts around levels that we share on the charts. So you could see we, on the initial breakout, we tried to get up to that 58.42 level. Didn't quite get there. It looks like we got to our high for that candle was 50739. Then we pulled back, and what was really nice to see is when we pulled back, I also just forgot to mention on the daily chart, we have a new level below the market where, actually I might have mentioned it, where support could show up at 700. So price actually pulled back to that level during this move here, this yesterday's move, the breakout higher. And you can see how that 48700 level is support on this smaller time frame. Multiple times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or so times we found support. And then we actually moved higher from that. So turning lower levels, like I said, can act as support for a period of time. Upper levels can act as resistance for a period of time. And you can see this lower level here acted as support. And then the price moved higher. And this time we actually hit our 50842 level as resistance. And the price got rejected because it's resistance for a period of time. And now this is where we're sitting at right now at 49,417, 49 cents. So let's see. It's only a matter of time until this upper 50-cent level is broken to the upside. Maybe it's today, but it should happen. So that's what we are watching for XRP as the upward momentum does continue. Still looks bullish in our eyes. Of course, not financial advice. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this XRP video. Obviously, we have much higher price targets, but it's day by day, and we pay attention to the levels that are around the market currently, and that's 50, 49, and 48 cent levels. You can see the lines are on my chart. Take a screenshot, and then you can see where the pricings are exactly, or leave me a comment, and I will tell you what those exact levels are if you're interested in putting them on your chart. Thanks to all of the new subscribers. Appreciate it. And I will catch you guys in another video over the weekend. Take it easy.